I'm Lorna, a trained mathematics teacher. Welcome to my channel, Bloom Your Math and A is Your Grade. Now, are you sitting an exam soon? Are you lacking in self-confidence? Do you need extra help in math? Are you working and you barely can find the time and the resources to join a formal math class? Then, you have clicked on the right channel. Because here in this channel, you are going to be involved in a Take 5 series. And what does Take 5 mean? Take 5 means that I will work 5 questions that are geared to help you to pass your CSEC math exams if you're still CSEC in June. But if you are not doing CSEC, you can still benefit from these exercises because most of these topics are covered globally. In this video, I will share 5 tips on how you can get an A in your math exam. And I'm so happy to help you in any way I can to help you bloom your math. In subsequent videos, I will work 5 past paper questions. And if you want to get that A, then definitely stay tuned. The first tip to help you get that A in math is to work through an entire past paper and time yourself without asking for help. So you may refer to your notes and the textbooks only if you get stuck. Once you have completed the past paper questions, check your answers if the answers are available. For questions you have missed, try to figure out the mistakes you made during the problem and then you can seek help. The second tip to help you get that A in math is to identify your personal areas of weakness. For example, are you struggling with quadratic equations? Is it too difficult to work with matrices? You may ask a teacher or a friend to help you, You might just get that help that you need. But what could be the problem is that you need to know what the prerequisites are. And what do I mean by prerequisites? In simple terms, what is it that you need to know before you move on to the next step? You need to get that clearly. And when you finally figure that out, practice. And I'm sure that you will get it. The third tip to help you get that A in math is to always draw a diagram. Many of us are visual learners, and rather than just taking up your exam paper like this and just staring at the question for hours and hours, you just need to find a strategy that will help you to solve the problem. And what you could do is to draw a shape, and once you have drawn that shape, then you put in the dimensions, all the information that was given, and after you have done that, you see if there's a formula that you can use or apply to help you to solve that problem. You can also draw tables and pick up any pattern that exists, if there is any, of course. You know what? I feel more comfortable with my glasses on. Yay! Number 4, guys. Check if your answer makes sense. So, for example, if you get a question like x plus 7 equals 10, and you have to solve that question, that solve means to find the value of the unknown variable x. Well, in this case, the unknown variable is x. So the value of x has to be 3 because 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now that's an easy question, but that's just an example of how you would treat questions. Always check to see if your answer really makes sense. Remember too that if you're using, say, a Casio calculator and you normally borrow one for one reason or another, or at the time of the exam you decide to buy another branded calculator, probably a Texas or a Sharp, be careful because operations are different and you would get a wrong answer. So use a calculator that you are familiar with. Last but by no means least, number 5. Number 5, believe in yourself. If you are a religious person, then you need to remove all the fear and anxiety that may be plaguing you as you prepare for your exam. You just ask the Lord to bring to your remembrance what you have studied. Personally, I am a Christian, and one of the texts that I find very helpful is, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So if you're not religious, then do whatever it takes to boost your confidence so you can get that A in math. So those were 5 tips to help you get that A in your CSEC math exam. And in my next video, I will work 5 questions on matrices. Remember, it's Take 5 series. And if you like this video, definitely like, share, and subscribe. You may ring the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. I upload 2 videos every week, so remember, stay focused.